Wow. Amazing. Woo! Kelly Neitlinger with Wild Woman Outdoors. Was that cool or what? I'm here in my kayak, watching bubble net feeding. Yeah, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Woo! Humpback whales all around me. There's one right here. 49 feet long, adult females. Sea lion right there. Wow. Absolutely stunning. Woohoo! Get outdoors and go wild. Come on with me and I'll show you a wild ride. Yeah, buddy. Only 100 humpbacks know how to bubble net feed in Southeast Alaska. It's one of the rarest things to see. And I was just within probably 100 yards. They came right up above me. Absolutely amazing. I'm trying to kayak with one hand and hold my iPhone with the other. Get ready to see some whale tail. Here we go right in front of us. Woohoo! Yeah.